Welcome back, friends. So super excited today. We have our first product review. Bigfoot Precision Components sent us a tie-down kit to test. So we're here at the lake and you can probably hear a little bit of that wind. So perfect conditions for this, not too windy, but just enough wind to be annoying and just enough wind to need a tie-down kit. So I really respect these guys from Bigfoot. They just reached out to us. They said, hey, would you mind doing a product review of for our stuff? They didn't give me anything to say. They didn't put any restrictions on me, so they have no clue what I'm gonna say about this, but I'm excited to do it for them. I think they're subscribers, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, let's see what comes in this kit. I like the packaging, for sure. 2 cones. So I did speak to the owners and they learned to put these cones in this kit the hard way because they stubbed their toe on one of the spikes. So that's a nice addition. 2 nice spikes, heavy duty spikes. More like they seem like large tent stakes is what they look like, but matching colors. It's pretty cool. Then we've got our straps. So everything looks nice and sewn together. That all looks good. I think one of the nice things you can see, this is what they're looking at here, is the ability to loop over the tube of your awning. So that's nice. The next thing I'm noticing is for your spike, that's a nice chunk of steel right there. If you can see it, yeah, that's not going anywhere. So I would say overall, I can't see anywhere anything that I would improve from a quality standpoint. We haven't put it on the awning yet, so this will be our first time using it. But I can tell you from a quality standpoint, it looks legit. And you know, for those of you that think you can just go out and get a strap, you're not going to find a strap with these features right here. That's going to be super easy on and super easy off. And for the price they're asking for these things, yeah, this could be legit. So let's see how it actually works. So far, so good. All right, guys, so really this is so simple. There's not a whole lot of instructions here. They give you instructions, but it's not real difficult to do. So I'm just going to pull this down and loop it over the tube. See that? See it looped right here. And it's especially important, based on the instructions, to make sure you loop over the tube and not that joint right there. Okay? So that's looking good. And this is about as high as our awning ever gets because we're a little bit high in the back today, and we still got at least an extra foot of strap here. So far so good, looks good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spike this down first, all right, and then I'm going to tighten from here, but you don't put a lot of weight on it, okay? Once I tighten my awning up, then I'm going to tighten this just a hair so it doesn't move. You're not wrenching it down hard, okay? And then that way it's going to hold it, keep it from bouncing back and forth. All right, guys, so putting your cone on first, just like that. I'll put my spike through that. That's a perfect fit there, so I appreciate that. And wouldn't you know it, forgot my hammer, so no problem. All right, so you can see there, that looks nice. Cone there, and we're just going to take here, pull tight, a little tight. I think we're good. So let's stick around for a little. It's starting to get a little breezy, okay? Let's see if it keeps the awning from bouncing around, and I'm gonna go do the other side. All right, let's chat a second while this thing gets a couple of gusts of wind under it. When Bigfoot first reached out to me, they emailed me and asked us if we would review their product. And they said they were subscribers, and they wanted to send us one to review. And I told them, hey, I'll be happy to do that. Would you mind sending a few kits to give away to our subscribers? So they were happy to do that. Very thrilled. They got them out like the next day, received them that week, and we were all excited. Well, then I started thinking to myself, after about a week of having them, are we supposed to use tie-down kits on our awning? I didn't know the answer to that. So the first thing I did the next morning was call Dometic. Dometic is the manufacturer of our awning. I called Dometic and spoke to them about it. And they were very clear. They said, as long as you don't have a wind sensor on your awning, you should be good to go. It shouldn't be a problem at all to use tie-down kits. So whether you have a manual, ours is a power awning, but we don't have a wind sensor on it. So it's not going to try to pull itself in if the wind kicks up a little bit. But as long as you have a manual or a power without a wind sensor, you should be good to go. If you do have one with a wind sensor, make sure you know how to turn that wind sensor off if you want to use these, or you shouldn't be using them at all. Another thing to remember about tie-down kits, they're not for high winds, okay? So if the winds are gusting up 30, 40 miles an hour, these tie-down kits are not for you, okay? You get a chance of it maybe pulling from the RV, all right? As much as I want to do a great review for Bigfoot, because I really feel like these are good straps, I also want to be clear to you subscribers, if the winds are way high, they're not a good idea. It's time to just roll that thing, and there aren't any straps made that's gonna cure that situation, okay? If the winds are way high, it's just time to roll it in and bunker down. All right, just getting a couple of shots of the straps around the tube. A great design, very simple, but I like it. And then moving on down, get a close-up of what we got under here. And I can tell you, I'm really glad they have those cones. Beckett was riding his bike just a second ago, and he looked dead at it. He knew exactly what was going on. I love the color. I did tell Bigfoot right off the bat I love the color. We'll let you know how they do at night, so I can imagine we'll be able to see them. So yeah, I think I'm digging these. Now, just to be clear, they did give these to us for free, all right? So I don't want to have any misunderstandings there. But a well-designed product, in my opinion. So I want to finish this video by letting our subscribers and our potential subscribers know that we will never do product reviews with any stipulations. So in this case, they did give us the product, and they actually gave us a couple of other products to give away for our 5,000 subscriber celebration, but they gave us no stipulations. They didn't say anything they would like for us to include. Yeah, I think it's just a legit product review, and we'll always do that. So we'll let you know if we get the product for free, because I think that's important for you to know that. But never believe that we will ever have any stipulations on our product reviews. We just, quite simply, your loyalty and your trust is more important to us than anything somebody might gift us. So appreciate it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that subscribe button, and we're super close to 5,000 subscribers. Really excited about that. Great prizes coming up. See ya.